Turn my volume up a little bit. You can tell from the look on their face, and as I jump on the stage, the crowd hating, they don't wanna show any love for the white kid. He probably got him a little white bitch with him, and they mad at me because of my white skin. They ought to play it cool before they swallow with my fist. They give up everything that I got when I'm on the mic, bitch. Been up for days, scribble the rhymes on the page of a notepad, hoping that everybody you like it. White Mike Tyson in the rap game, murdering every track that I touch, but nobody know who I am. Though everybody wanna know where the hell I'm from, I just laugh and tell them it ain't no way that I can't go burning up like a candle when I'm up in the booth. You can say what you want about it, I got nothing to prove. I'm not a guest in hip hop, I'm one of the few. If I don't make it, then I don't know what the hell I'ma do. I left school at a young age, so the front page of the news is my future. Feel like I'm moving backwards. They telling me that I rap a little bit too fast, so fuck it, I'ma give it to them a little bit faster. The motherfucking homie Jamil found me at one of my worst times and taught me not to live so disastrous. Think about my actions, I never would have imagined that 5 years later we'd be the sickest white rappers.